Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome back to an amazing day in Istanbul. So this morning, Faustino and I are gonna head down to Galata Tower, where there's supposed to be the world famous San Sebastian cheesecake. So we're gonna take you guys along with us. We've rented a scooter, and this should be interesting. So come on. No. So the ride so far is not that bad. The streets are not full, and that's the thing. If we would have took it yesterday with the streets looking like they were, I don't think that we would have been half as far as we are now. Oh, it definitely has some pull. Okay, so just some technical difficulties. We're trying to figure out which way we gotta go. Minutes 11 minutes and we'll be there hopefully in one piece. The ride so far hasn't really been that bad. A few bumps, and it takes a little while to kind of acclimate to the scooter. Really wasn't expecting it to take off as fast as it does, but hey, here we are.
Okay. Oh, this is where we ate at, I think. That is. We walked this way. Bump. Bump.
So we are readjusting. We're gonna try to head the other way. It sucks.
Yeah.
Booty.
Yeah.
This is not glamorous. Ay. Yep.
Wall. That wall. Yeah, I don't know if that wall is on. We could go this way.
We could go downstairs. So.
Yeah, okay.
No, thank you.
How do I get down there? That way?
That's up though.
Then you make me go up.
Yes, and the right, after that.
Oh, okay, cool.
Very
cool.
bumpy.
No problem. Was you bread with yeah?
Right here, right?
Okay.
No, this no.
No,
Oh,
no,
up the street. Okay, so I thought we were going another way, but apparently we're not. Okay, so our scooter ride was kind of short-lived. It seems as if we can't go across the bridge on the bike, which I completely understand. I don't think it's safe at all. So we parked it and we're just gonna go ahead and walk the rest of the way. Maybe there'll be another scooter on the opposite side. Oh, look, this thing really started. Okay, so it seems as if we have to go over this bridge right here. And the tower is on the other side. We are just finishing up our San Sebastian cheesecake and we're chasing it with a little cup of Turkish coffee. So very strong that it included a glass of water. So I wanted to say something about this place. Do you see how the chairs are out and the people are walking around? Well, this is a staple of Istanbul, similar to Cafe du Monde. Everywhere we go we have to compare it to something in New Orleans. So this is what it reminds us of. It definitely reminds us of Cafe du Monde. They have their cheesecake while we have our beignets. So cool. So we just met these two ladies from France who actually visited New Orleans. We're always running into people that have visited our home. That's amazing. They were so cool. I'll insert their picture. So I think that what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish up our coffee and we're gonna head back to Old City and maybe get us something else to eat. Well, until I see you guys again, au revoir. Because I'm French now.